This is just the all-knowing, and right now we are going to fix this right here. We're going to check, see if it's off. We're not going to show that this works. That is on, that is off. We're also going to go check the box. Off, 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 off. Alright. This does not really need to be done. I'm doing it because I want to. I do not like the look of that right now. So I'm going to fix it. And then I'm going to have to get to town on painting. So let's fix this. I only really need this side off. I guess I do gotta get the side off too. Again, we're going to double check. Not getting anything either. So I am not touching the bare metal. Do not like the look of this. Clean this up a little bit. Straighten this out. I need to wind this ring. Come on. Now I see why I didn't do this. Well, we'll have to get some other clip for the time being. Where are my... For the time being, I'm going to just cap these bad boys. I'm going to cap these bad boys and start the painting. Alright, I do declare I got more work to do. Alright, let's get this done. This is Justin, the all-knowing. This is Maintenance Life. I do declare